Well, hello there my friends, and welcome to Jimmy Draws Art. And today is day 10 of Inktober. Today's prompt word happens to be hope. So let's see what Albert is hoping for today. Because Menchi threw Albert out of the restaurant and into the sky, Albert is soaring high above the neighborhood. Because Albert is so big and bulky, Albert doesn't know how to use his wings. He has always been too heavy and weak to use them properly and never learned to fly. So Albert hopes that he lands on a soft mattress right about now as he falls from the sky. So that's my drawing for today's prompt word of hope. I hope that you liked the drawing, and if you do, be sure to like the video, and if you want to see more of Albert getting into stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Well, that seems to be it. Inktober is actually getting to me, at least the video portion of it, that is. It looks like I'm a day behind here. But actually I did the drawing last night, so I was able to finish the drawing on time, but I was way too tired to put together this video. So I'm doing the video editing and posting this morning. I will get started on today's drawing after I post this one, so today looks like it's going to be a double upload. I'm going to try and get back on track tomorrow if I can. I do have off from work from tomorrow, so I have that much going for me right now. Well, even if I do happen to fall behind, I will continue on, because I want to see this project finished. You see, I have a plan to turn this into a small book in case you haven't noticed that this is becoming a story about Albert and his adventure with this crazy mischievous mouse that is causing him trouble. How is he going to get out of this? You have to continue to watch and read on. Okay, well, it looks like Mr. Timelapse is going to pee his pants if I don't turn this over to him. I have to say that trying to chat for as long as the video is tough, but I will now let you enjoy the drawing for now, and I'll catch you at the end of the video for some quick words. Well, that was the drawing. I hope that you liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more of Albert and my Inktober adventure. I think it's time to part for now, my friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.